Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Vinika. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing great and you all are practicing your English in a precise way. Today I come with another topic of practicing English. And before diving to the session, I just want to request all of you, my dear friend, please watch this video till the very end. It will be very short and sweet video. Okay, so let's get into the video what I'm going to discuss. So before diving to the session, I just want to ask one single question. And what is the question? Do you influence yourself with others' opinion? Do you influence yourself with others' point of view? If yes, then this video is dedicated for you. Yes, guys. Because if you are a person, if you easily get influence, you easily get affected of yourself by others point of view, others opinion, it means what are you doing? You are just creating lots of problem in yourself, in your life, because other people don't know what you are doing and what do you want to do and what do you become. Hmm? They don't know. They have just only a lots of piece of advice they are not doing in their life. Like friends, when we are going to do any new things in our life, like in this day, we are just learning and there are lots of ups and downs in our life and in our journey, I can say. But they don't know why this thing happening with me, yeah, with us. They have just only a suggestion, they have just only their point of view. They don't know my present condition and circumstances. They will ready to suggest you, they will ready to demotivate you, they will ready to give a piece of advice, but they don't know my present circumstances. Like when we are going to do any kind of new work, not only English but also other stuff, like if you are interested to doing a dance, teaching, like stitching, singing, okay, so it's not possible very soon you will become perfect in that field. No, it's a long journey, it's a time taking process, it will take time, you have to keep patience, you have to console yourself, you have to do consistent work. But what is others opinion? They will always ready to demotivate you, they will always ready to give their own opinion, and that opinion not going to motivate us, just demotivate us, and they will just give a negative opinion most of the time, because they are not doing anything in their life, they are just wasting their time in social media and different activity. But they have a lot of opinion, they have ample number of piece of advice, they ready to suggest you, because they are not doing anything in their life, so they just want to suggest according to their own way. But friend, I want to tell you, if you easily get influenced with those people, so what you have to do? First, you have to keep distance from those people, cut the company of those group. It's very simple thing. Because when anyone give a negative suggestion and negative opinion in our related to our work, we easily get influence and we easily created lots of negative thought in our head, and we start creating doubt in ourselves, in our work. Am I right? Am I doing right or wrong? Am I will Maybe I'm not going in right track, maybe I will not become fluent in English, maybe I'm not doing right, I'm not improving myself. There are lots of doubt will create in our head. Why? Because we are just influenced by others. So what you have to do, simple things, very simple. Don't listen other, don't give the time of those people, they are not doing anything in their life. Why are you giving time? Why are you listening those people? Just focus on your work, keep distance, and no need to ask with others whatever you are doing, because you know yourself what is your strength, what is your weakness. Others opinion always demotivate us, and always demolish our hope, our dream. Okay, so don't listen others. We just focus on work, and every single day you have to speak positive affirmation for yourself. Yeah, that is very important for everyone, whatever you are doing, because it's a very reality in everyone life. There are many times negative thought come in our head, and we start creating doubt, we start feeling demotivated, we start uh, feeling like, should I give up or not? So every time you have to speak positive affirmation for yourself. I am doing right. I am fluent in this work. I am improving myself. I am the best version of myself. These lines always give a positive strength and positive vibes in ourselves, and you will feel very happy. सो एंड ऑफ द वीडियो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल यू गाइज, दूसरों को मत सुनो, वट एवर यू आर डूइंग जस्ट फोकस। हर इंसान ज़रूरी नहीं कि आपके लिए अच्छा ही सोचे, आपके काम को तारीफ करे, नहीं, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता। हो सकता है आपकी फैमिली मेम्बर हो, आपके फ्रेंड्स हो, आपके कज़न हो, इट नॉट पॉसिबल एवरी वन जस्ट योर वेलबींग, योर लव्स वन supporting you. No, you have to decide, you have to think, whatever you are doing, you have to understand it, and you have to console yourself, because you know yourself very well. Others, they don't know what is your strength, what is your weakness, and what do you want to do in your life, what do you want to achieve in your life, what is important of this work in your life. Whatever you are doing, first you just focus what is important. If you will give up, then what you will do? What is the next option in your hand? Nothing. You will just join those group, they are just wasting. Then what is the benefit? Nothing. So make sure just focus on your work and stay, keep doing your work, be consistent. It doesn't matter what is your level, where you are standing in this time, just focus on your work, keep doing, keep practicing, and definitely hard work never goes waste. Yes. So thank you so much guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much, please support me. Bye bye, take care, bye bye.